Here's a 1987 SMC Scandia 42-inch model EG-42 that I got from Tommy Bodden at previous Fanimation trip. I got this for $35, I believe, but unfortunately I lost all my pre-recorded videos that I made on my old iPod, and my old iPod got broken, so I have to remake videos of the fans that I recorded on that, but I have to record them on this new one. So anyways, continuing on, here it is low to start off. And for the sake of lighting, I'm going to turn my other light on. Okay, I'll go to medium. This thing hauls absolute ass. Honestly, could probably support 52-inch blades. Okay, we'll go to high. Man, this thing's freaking crazy. I'd say it probably does close to 300 RPMs. That will do the light. Calm yourself. Okay. Now, I don't think they made these with cane blades for the 42-inch models. Now, I do think they made these in the 52-inch models with stencil and the option of cane as well, if I'm correct. But I'm not sure. I'd have to see a box. But I wanted one of these. I could, because my neighbor, he has one in his living room, and I always asked him for it, and he always said no. I offered to swap it out, put a different fan up, and he still said no. So I got this in replacement of trying to get his. But if and when he ever passes away, I want to see if I can try and get it. Then I'm going to have two of these. But depending on which one runs better, I'll probably end up keeping it. This thing's got immaculate bearings in it. I'm surprised. I don't know, but I'm gonna stop that. Kind of get lighting. Oh, the lighting system on this is kind of interesting, but kind of messed up in a way because it doesn't have a three-way switch. So this is hooked up to the main light source, which is for the top light. So it does that. Unfortunately, you can only control it by the main one, which is that stencil or the tassel chain. But I don't mind it. I like the top light anyway. It provides just enough light. But yeah. So anyway, that's it, and until next time.